Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home, isn't it? Okay, so today I have brought a new topic in general awareness. Are you interested to see? Then today our topic is my home and safety at home. Today we will learn the rooms which are there in our home and the safety measures which we follow in our home to keep ourselves safe. So children, are you ready to come with me to learn about this topic? Then let's go. Now children, let us begin with our topic. My home. Today we will learn about the rooms which are there in our home. The first picture is living room. What all items you can see here? Sofa, television, lamp, tables and few decorative items. So, what we do here? We sit in this room and watch television. And we play also. Next picture. Can you guess? Yes, exactly. This is a kitchen. And Mama cooks tasty and yummy food in this room. Let us take a closer look. What all items you can see here? Yes, there are utensils, dishes, spices, mixer grinder, gas oven, microwave oven, toaster, towels, so many things are there. And shelves are also there to keep our things in a proper manner. So this room is called as kitchen. Now this room is our dining room. In dining room what we do? Yes, we sit with our family and we have breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this is our dining room. What all items you can see in this room? There are table, chairs, dishes in the shelves, bottle, so many things are there. Now next picture, can you guess? Yes, it's a bathroom. What we do in this room? We take bath in this room. And what all items you can see here? Yes, there are wash basin, hand wash, towels, detergents, cleaning products, toothbrush and toothpaste, bathtub, curtain, so many things are there. So this is our bathroom. Now, can you guess which room is this? Yes, exactly. This is our bedroom. What we do here? We take rest. We sleep in this room, isn't it? So, in this room, we keep all our personal belongings also, like books, toys, our clothes, everything. So this is our bedroom. Now we will move on to our next topic, which is safety at home. Staying away from danger is called safety. It is the state of being safe. Now we will learn about safety rules which we should follow at home. Can you see in number 1 picture? The child is jumping on the stairs. and getting down. Is this the correct way to walk? No. See, this boy was jumping and what happened? Can you see in the second picture? Yes, he fell and he got hurt and now he is crying. So, we should never jump, play or run on the stairs. Now, can you tell me, in number 1 picture, what that boy is doing? Yes, he's playing with the scissor. So, can you tell me we should play with the scissors? No, never. Now see in number 2 picture, what has happened when he was playing? See, he got hurt in his legs. So, we should never ever play with the sharp objects like scissors or knives. See, one burning candle is there, and in number 1 picture, that boy is playing with the fire. So we should do it? No. See, as he was playing, he got hurt. So, in number 2 picture you can see he got hurt in his hand. So we should never play with fire. Now children, see in number 1 picture, that boy is playing with his toys and he is leaving his toys here and there and keeping here and there. So, in number 2 picture, can you see that he is about to fall because of his toys? Now let's see what has happened. As you can see in number 3 picture, he fell down because of his toys. So, we should never keep our toys here and there. You or someone else may fall down. Now children, this is very important point. If someone knocks at your door, we should never open the doors directly. First ask, who is it? Then, if you know that person, you can open the doors. If you don't know, then call any of your parents or some elder person at your home and let them open the doors. If you will open, then that person might be the wrong person or the danger person. So, he might take you away. So, we should never talk or open the doors for the strangers. As you can see in this picture, this boy was touching the hot pot, which is really very hot, and now his hands got burned. So, we should never touch the items which are kept on the gas oven. As you can see in this picture, there are scissors, blade, knife, switches and wires, medicines, matchbox and fire. So, children, tell me, we should play or use these items on our own? No. It may harm you. We should never play with the sharp objects like scissor, blade, knife, or matchbox. We should never play with the medicines also. We should not eat it until and unless your mother or father gives you. And we should never play with the switches or wires. It may give you shock. As you can see in this picture, just now this boy has washed his hands. So, he should touch all these electric appliances. No, not at all. We should never touch these electric appliances or the switches or the wires with our wet hands. It may give you shock. Electric appliance examples are iron, oven, computer, music system, toaster, etc. We should never use all these items after washing our hands or our hands are wet. I hope everyone is clear about the rules which are there at our home and the safety rules which we should follow at our home. Thank you, children. Bye bye. See you in our next video.